God damn it. Cruising to work, filming yourself skateboarding for an intro. No problem. What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in today, and if you're new to this channel, you might not know, but we are giving away our 1995 Nissan Kouki 240SX when we are done with this build series. So hit that subscribe button right here, the red one, so that you don't miss any updates when we announce how you can enter to win it, because it is going to be nice. Since one of you is taking it home, I want to get your input on something pretty important, because I'm looking at body kits right now for the build, and I'm not finding a lot of unique options that I really want to use for it. So I wanted to get your input. So throughout this, as you're watching this short episode, comment below, link some body kits that you like on the Kouki S14 chassis so that I can check those out. I read and reply to every comment right now. So let's blow it up and let's find some good options for this car that will help it really just like look amazing. So when it comes to the front bumper area, I've seen, you know, basically two options. At least there's more than two options, but one option is very similar. The aftermarket body kit usually has like a big fat BN style lip that's angled, you know, all the way down the side skirts, around the rear bumper and the front. So comment below what you think about like the BN sports style kits. And then I see a lot of people running like an OEM front bumper, and these cars are able to get super low, get really slammed, and that's what's cool about those, because they're really slim. They don't come down as far as like your fiberglass kits, but they also don't have that style. So I really like them both, and that's why I want to know what you guys think. I actually really like the factory side skirts on these, even though this car has none. We got a blank canvas right now, and that's why I wanted to get your guys' input. I'm really not seeing a lot of variations in kits for this car. It seems like most of the aftermarket kits are very similar. So I'd like to see, like, you know, what you guys think is cool, so that, you know, maybe there's some stuff I haven't seen before. Let's cruise into my office real quick. I've got a kit pulled up that I really like, and I want to see what you guys think. It's by a brand called Fine Line Tuning. And they have a few different options that look pretty sweet. So this is Fine Line Tuning's site, and they've got a lot of different kits. A lot of them are replicas. I don't know, maybe all of them are, but they've got a lot of rad stuff on cars you've seen before. And here is one that I really like. So this is their BN style Type 4 S14 Kouki body kit. They call it MBN Type 4. And these pictures look amazing. If you follow us on Instagram, I've even shared some pictures of this car before because I think it looks so good. What do you guys think about that one? It's really simple, yet super aggressive. I think it looks really good with the Kouki headlights. Because it's not super loud or wild. It's simple so that the front of the headlights still just look menacing. It doesn't take away from the overall look. They've also got this Type 3 kit, which is really cool as well. And what I really like about it, if you can see right here, these bumpers come out to like a sharper point. They like swoop out right there. Let's see if we get another picture. I don't have as many pictures of this one. So that's an option too. Thanks for watching, guys. I know this is a super short episode, but hopefully you guys enjoy the opportunity to give some input on the Kouki project. And I figure it makes sense since we're giving it away. So share with your friends, get your friends involved, because again, if you don't win this car, you better hope that one of your friends does, because we have a lot of surprises in store and this thing is going to rip. Thanks guys, catch you next time.